The radius of a circle is 5 inches. Find the circumference. The formula is circumference is equal to pi d. So to get from the radius to the diameter, we're going to times it by 2. So 2 times the radius gives me the diameter. Once we have the diameter, we do diameter times pi, and that's our answer. Now this one is the exact opposite. We're working backwards. We start with the circumference. So the first thing we're going to do is divide by pi. Dividing by pi gives us 7. That's our diameter, because circumference is pi times diameter, so that's our diameter. So then to get the radius, we divide by 2, which gives us the radius, which is, in this case, 3.5. The circumference is 34.54. Find the area. Okay, so for circumference, we're going to first divide by pi. Circumference, if you give it a circumference, divide by pi. Give it a circumference, divide by pi, and that will give you the diameter. When you have a diameter, you divide it by 2 to get the radius. To find the area, you do pi r squared, so that'd be pi r squared, which would be 3.14 times 5.5 times 5.5. Or 94.985. And our next one, given the radius is 72, find the area, pi r squared. Pi r squared, so you do pi, which is 3.14, times the radius, which is 16277.76. Now, if it asks for an exact area, you're not going to use 3.14. You're just going to do 72 times 72. And then you just tack on the pi symbol at the end. And that would be the exact. You just don't times by 3.14. When it asks for exact, you just write a pi sign at the end. The diameter is 78. Find the area. So given the diameter, we're going to first divide by 2. So take the 78, divide it by 2. Diameter divided by 2 gives us a radius. Once you have a radius, it's pi r squared. 3.14 times 39 times 39. Or if it's exact, just 39 times 39. So for exact, you would say 1521 pi. For approximate, you do 39 times 39 times 3.14, which is 4775.94. Okay, and our last one says, given the circumference, find the area. So, in order to do this, give the circumference, find the diameter. So you're going to take the circumference and divide it by 3.14, and that will give you the diameter. So 19.782 divided by the pi gives you the diameter. And that's it. Circumference divided by pi is the diameter. And this is all the questions that are on the circles test.